Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2011 Toyota Avalon, stock number X415A. Only 77,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, Cypress Pearl in color. The Avalon is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. It's in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Rear seats recline as well for greater comfort. Backup camera for additional safety. Spacious trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And not only low miles, but very clean. This Avalon has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, power moonroof, large exit rear, 7,000 miles, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, and steering wheel mounted climate control as well. Easy to operate radio and CD player. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Dual zone automatic temperature control. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability and heated front seats. Lots of storage space. In the armrest, USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect media devices. Spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror. HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and that is of course where the backup camera display is, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Avalon has a 3.5 liter V6, 268 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimate, an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Avalon, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.